Hi everyone, welcome to Wise World channel. A short story. The people who had never seen birds. Many centuries ago, people in a kingdom had never seen birds. One day, a few merchants from a faraway land came there with a crow. People requested, "Please sell this bird to us." And they treated the crow royally. Then the merchants brought a nightingale. She sang beautifully and was loved more than the crow. Seeing this, the crow complained. The people said, "She has more talent than you, so we spend more time with her. But you came here first. You are important to us too." The crow understood and became friendly with the nightingale. The moral of the story is, everyone has their own place in life. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.